Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna tell you if you can get UAE citizenship. UAE is a great place to live. It's a very safe country, it's growing really fast, there are so many opportunities, more and more people come here to work and live. It's really a multicultural environment, especially if you have the UAE citizenship, which gives you free housing, free education, free healthcare, and many other benefits. And the UAE passport is considered as #1 travel document in the world. It allows you to travel visa-free to around 165 countries. But currently, UAE doesn't offer any permanent residency to the expats. You can get only a temporary resident visa if you have a job, or if you open your own company, or if you invest in real estate. But you can't stay long term if you don't have your own job, or if you don't have your own company, or if you are not an real estate investor, for example. But there are some options where you can get the UAE citizenship. So the option #1. If you're a woman and you marry a local guy and you apply for the citizenship, you can get it after 7 years if you live together and you have at least one child. Or you have to live together for 10 years if you don't have children. Then, if you are a man and you marry Emirati woman, you will never be able to get the UAE citizenship. Even if you have kids, the kids will not become Emiratis, and you still have to pay for their schools, for their healthcare, and other benefits that have Emirati nationalities. But when your kids are 18 years old, they can apply for the UAE citizenship. If your father is Emirati, you automatically become Emirati citizen, regardless you were born in the country or abroad. And one more option when the government might decide to grant you the UAE citizenship, if you do something really special for the country, if you have a special talent, some special achievements. For example, if you win Olympic Games on behalf of the country. So guys, as you see, unfortunately there are not really many options that allows you to get a UAE citizenship, but the government have started implementing some really attractive programs for the expats. For example, they implemented long-term visas for investors for 5 and 10 years, and I hope that after 10, maybe 20 years, there will be more options to get the UAE citizenship for the expats. Thank you for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.